Hi all, welcome back to our channel. Today let's make tasty fish curry. Into a thick bottom paste, add 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Let it spitter. For this add 2 medium sized finely chopped onion. Sort all these well. Once onions are translucent, for this add few curry leaves and 3 slitted green chilies. Add 2 medium sized fine chopped tomatoes. Let it cook. Once tomatoes are mashed well, for this add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt or as required, 2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Sort all this well until raw smell goes on a low medium flame. For this I have taken big lemon sized tamarind and soak it in hot water and extract the thick juice and add 1 glass of normal water and bring it to boil. At this point of stage, check once salt and chili powder. If required, you can add it for that. For the fish curry, I have marinated Murrel fish for 30 minutes, like adding half teaspoon of salt, chili powder and turmeric powder. While arranging the fish, take a help of ladle or a spoon. Once they are arranged, after that you do not disturb them with a ladle or a spoon. Close lid and allow them to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. For masala, I have added 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and fenugreek seed. Roast them well and make a powder. Add 1.5 teaspoon for the fish curry and finally a handful of chopped coriander leaves. Mix well and turn off the flame. Now it's ready to be served. When you are cooking with the stove, cook with the love. Every dish can be delicious. Thank you so much for watching. See you again. Tata.